Hey everybody, I just decided I will go ahead and do a quick little house tour for you guys. I know you kind of saw it when in my cleaning video I did the other day. I just decided to just go ahead and do, not really a more detailed one, but a more detailed one where you can actually see it better and everything. No, my house is not spotless, and that's because it was clean and then my kids decided to play, so it's not spotless, and it's never ever going to be completely spotless, but I am fine with that. So, and this section of the video is actually from when we moved in back in September of 2016, before my husband and father-in-law built anything. And I thought it would be fun to include into this video just to see how much they've actually built, because aside from the water and the electrical things, like the electricity, they have built everything themselves. And I dug through, I'm in a group with my mom and sisters, and I sent this when we first moved in. I dug through pictures for an hour finding this video to share with you guys, because I thought it would be fun to include it, like I said, just to see how much they have actually built. Okay, so entering through the stairs lead back upstairs, obviously. You enter into our living room, and it's just a nice cozy little living room. And then to the left of the living room, going into the door to the left, you go into our dining room and our kitchen area. And off to the right of the kitchen area is our little bathroom that you'll see here in a minute. It's very nice because we have the full bath with a shower head and everything in the bath, and then toilet, sink, your basic bathroom essentials. And it's small, but it's perfect for us. And back through the living room, you'll go and see the children's room. Caleb and Zoe do share a room right now. That's just, since it's just a 2-bedroom little apartment down there, that's just how we have it. And that actually works really good with both of them sharing a room. So they really enjoy it, and it's just easier for us not to have Zoe in our room anymore. And then we have Nate's little computer nook. The kids know better than to go in this area, and then the corner desk actually really helps kind of block off his computer area, so that way we can just make sure the kids don't go in there. And then this is the master bedroom, mine and Nate's room. Doesn't have a bathroom, so I guess it's not fully a master bedroom, but it's our bedroom. And we still have some sheetrock to put up, and let's see, our clothes are just hanging off that support beam because, as you'll see in a minute, our closet is not finished yet, and that's also just kind of our catch-all room where we have I need to go through and just get it cleaned out. But that's pretty much our house.